Hi everybody, Will Koberg with the Jan Ritchie team here at the forefront of our listing at 6315 Forefront Avenue in Phillips Creek Ranch in Frisco, Texas. This beautiful Shattuck home has so much to offer. It's got a study at the front of the home so you can access this cool little courtyard and say hi to the neighbors. This house is over 4,700 square foot. This home features 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. It's so much bigger than it looks. Standalone tub, his and her vanities, marble countertops, walk-in shower, and his and her closets. Woo! You don't have to leave the master bathroom to enjoy this home. 3-car garage, incredible 2-story family room with vaulted ceilings and wood beams. In the Juliet balcony, awesome. It opens up to an immaculate kitchen. Oh baby, this kitchen is magnificent. And I can't wait for you to see it. The lot is over 1/4 acre. You can put a pool back there, and the elevation is great, so you have privacy in your backyard. Did I mention all the amenities that Phillips Creek Ranch offers? Jogging trails, parks, green space, plus Frisco ISD, Reedy High School. A great location if you've got to commute to work. Oh, and don't forget, check out all of our listings and open houses this weekend by going to janritchie.com. You can search me on social media. Just put in #WillSellsIt.